The corpse of a 22-year-old Tiprasa was recovered from the water canal nearby the bridge of Udaipur Jamtala on Monday morning. His name is Motosing Jamatia from Udaipur Dagmura village. The deceased youth has blood on his nose and mouth. It is believed that his life was taken elsewhere and his body was dumped in the canal near Jamtala bridge. On Monday morning, Udaipur Jamtala area was seen in chaos for a moment with the incident of a body of Tiprasa found from the water canal nearby the bridge of Udaipur Jamtala. Maharani Outpost police reached at the location after they got the information of the incident. The deceased youth has blood on his nose and mouth. At first, the identity of the dead youth was not known. However, at last, one of the villagers of a man came and identified the body as Motosing Jamatia. Motosing Jamatia was from Udaipur Dagmura area, son of Molindro Jamatia. The deceased youth has blood on his nose and mouth. The villagers has not seen him in the village before, which is why it is believed that his life was taken elsewhere and his body was dumped in the canal near Jamtala bridge. His mother and other members of his family arrived at the location after they got the information.
কি করতে এমনিতে কি করে
এটি কিছু করে না এনা বাড়ি তাই আর কি
বিয়ে শাদী করছে
না
বাবা আসেনি
বাবার নাম মা আছে একজন একদম
বাবার নাম কি
বাবার নাম মলিন্দ্র জমাতি
আপনারা কোন সময় খবর পেয়েছেন
6:30 দিকে সকাল
After the police arrived at the location, the dog squad was sent to the spot. Police sent the body to Tepania Hospital for post-mortem later. However, police hasn't arrested any of the offenders so far. Reported by Rajiv from Udaipur, Chini Khorang.